Welcome back, Stupid Fast Nation. How are you guys doing? Today we are going to take this and smash that into thousands and thousands of pieces. Alright guys, so this is what happens when you piss the big guy off with a hammer. Alright guys, so since there's been so much controversy around putting a Hellcat in this Mustang, and it's been a lot of negative controversy, so today we're gonna destroy the Mustang. Enjoy.
You guys don't like my hellcat swap, huh? Well, this is what I like to call my mini full. God damn you, YouTube. Oh, yeah! Woo! Who you boys? What do you do for it? The hellcat swap. That feels amazing.
April Fools! Haha, gotcha! Check this out. See that over there? Yeah, that's the door off the Mustang. I don't know how many of you could tell with the color difference. I was really sad that I didn't have the red paint to paint this door, but this door, if you guessed earlier, yes, was from the top of my parts storage from the Mustang I ripped apart before, because I did have two of these chassis. So I decided to create an April Fool's hoax video around smashing this door on my Mustang. As you can see behind me here is the 2015 Mustang. This door is in really good shape. What we're gonna do today is I'm gonna pull an April Fool's joke on you guys. I'm actually gonna swap this door out. Check this out. Now what you guys can't see under this pile right here is I actually have a really good door in really good shape. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out real fast. Sucker is heavy! Okay, so that thing is pretty heavy, but I think I can play a little camera trick on you guys. I know you can see some of the damage right there, but I'm pretty sure when I bolt this door up, I can play a little camera trick on you guys. I'm gonna smash the hell out this door. Since everybody's so angry that I'm putting a Hellcat motor in this car, I'm gonna go ahead and play a little April Fool's joke on y'all. I know the red's a little darker, but I'm hoping underneath the lights that we can get the camera to kind of take the color away a little bit. So yeah, let's go ahead and get that thing installed real fast. This is gonna be great. All right, so real quick, as you guys can see here, this door comes off really, really easy. There's one bolt up here, one bolt down there, and then two plugs inside here. So we can go ahead and take this door off real fast and throw the other door on. Guys, so there you have it. The door's on. Man, that was a pain in the butt to get on. There's no window in this one, so we don't got to worry about breaking any glass. But yeah, there it is. You can see it. It was just two plugs in the center, which were a pain in the butt to get out. And then also the bolt in the top and bolt in the bottom for the hinge, because this door didn't have any hinges. Now, you can also see that there's a little bit of damage in the top and the center of this door. I'm going to try and play a camera trick to hide that. And you can also see that the door's a little bit brighter than the actual color of the car. So let's go see if we have any red paint to touch this up quick. All right, guys, so here is all my paints. I do not see red. I see yellow, I see green. Bumper paint, gray, silver. I got engine enamel. What color is that? And that is black. That is black. This is black. This is primer, clear coat. Damn it, no red, guys. So I guess we ain't gonna be able to paint this. All right, so we're not gonna be able to paint the door, but let's go ahead and get started with filming it. So you guys don't like me hellcat swapping a Mustang? This is what I like to call my mini Thor. Damn you, YouTube! The hellcat swap! Yes! Woo! That feels amazing! Yeah! Alright guys, so as always, that wraps this video up for this one. If you guys enjoyed the content, make sure you give me a like, share, and don't forget to hit that big old subscribe button. And if you want to see future videos, make sure you ding that bell for the notifications. Till next time guys, see you in the next one. Wait a minute, now I gotta put this door back on. Timmy! Timmy, I need your help putting this door back on real quick.
Yeah!